What's up everybody? In this video I will tell you about what is e-commerce and how to start an e-commerce business. E-commerce is a division of trade or production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. And what are the different types of e-commerce? E-commerce has six types: business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, and business to government, B2G, consumer to consumer, C2C, and government to consumer, G2C, and at the last, government to business in this G2B. And now come to the e-commerce. E-commerce, it is a commonly known as electronic marketing. It consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system such as the internet. E-commerce is the purchasing, selling, and exchanging goods and services over computer network or internet through which transactions or terms of sale are performed electronically. And what is e-commerce versus e-business? And difference between e-commerce and e-business. We choose term e-business to refer primarily to the digital enablement of transactions and processes within a firm involving information system under the control of firm. E-commerce include commercial transactions and involving an exchange of value across organizational boundaries. And the process of e-commerce. First of all, we place order on Amazon or something Alibaba or any other platform in shopping cart. Then we use credit card as a credit card is charged. Order is completed. Email is sent to customer and merchant. Our order email is sent to customer and also merchant. And the product which is at a certain place, for example warehouse, where these products are available to shipment, then warehouse to shipped, carrier pickup to shipment, and shipment is at your door in next 2 to 3 days, in next 2 to 3 working days. The process of e-commerce. A consumer uses web browser to connect the home page of merchant website on the internet. The consumer browses the catalog of products featured on the site and selects item to purchase. The selected items are placed in the electronic equivalent of a shopping cart. When the consumer is ready to complete the purchase of selected item, she or he provides a bill to ship to address for purchase and delivery. The process of e-commerce. When credit card number is validated and the order is completed at the commerce server side, the merchant's site displays a receipt confirming the customer's purchase. The commerce server side then forward the order to a processing network for payment processing and fulfillment. And what are the types of e-commerce? First of all, B2B e-commerce. What is B2B e-commerce? B2B e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. About 80% of e-commerce is of this type. For example, Intel selling microprocessors to Dell, hence selling ketchup to McDonald's. What is B2B? Business organization, order processing, wholesaler, and customer. Business organization supplies wholesalers, and wholesalers then put orders to at websites. Business organizations also put orders at websites, and wholesaler then sells to customers. What is B2B? What is B2C? Business to consumer. e-commerce. Business to consumer e-commerce or commerce between companies and consumers involving customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods for or receiving products or an electronic network. For example, Dell selling me a laptop directly, selling me a laptop. What is a B2C e-commerce flowchart? Business organization, it also order processing on website and it directly supplies to customers and customers orders at website directly. What is B2G e-commerce? Business to government e-commerce is generally defined as e-commerce between companies and the public sector. It refers to the use of internet for public procurement, licensing procedures, and other government related operations. For example, business pay taxes, file reports, or sell goods and services to government agencies. B2G e-commerce flowchart. Business organization provide websites, provides and websites government bought from website to his own custody. What is C2C e-commerce? Consumer to consumer e-commerce or C2C is simply commerce between private individuals or consumers. For example, Mary buying an iPod from Tom on eBay, me selling a car to my neighbor. C2C e-commerce flowchart: place advertisements, websites, consume customer 1 to customer 2, receive products, receive money, want to sell products, want to buy products. That's all. What is G2C e-commerce? This model is also a part of e-governance. The objective of this model is to provide good and effective services to each citizen. The government provides the following facilities to the citizens through website. Information of all government departments, different welfare schemes, different application forms to be used by the citizens. The flow is government to website and websites to citizens. What is G2B e-commerce? Government to business is a business model that refers to government providing services or information to business organizations. Government uses B2G model website to approach business organizations such websites, support auctions, tenders, and applications submission functionalities. G2B e-commerce flowchart: government to website and website to business organizations. Advantages of e-commerce: faster buying, selling procedure as well as easy to find products, buying, selling 24 by 7, more reach to customer. There is no theoretical geographical limitations, low operational costs, better quality of services, no need of physical company setup, easy to start and manage a business. Customers can easily select products from different providers without moving around physically. And disadvantages: it is also a good factor. Unable to examine products personally, not everyone is connected to the internet,